Yeah, that's smart.
I built this mosquito repellent. It went for Inventors Fair. See the bottom? There are 3 rollers and the 1 motor with a wheel to rotate this slowly. This is where I put the handle, the tea light handles, and close it. You may know this. This is used for heating up the food using alcohol, and they put it under the dishes. So I use this one here. This is a chamber I fill with any mosquito repellent oil. And close it, and you see this tab. Using this tab, you can control the repellent oil flow to this burner. So I'm not going to put any alcohol, or I'm not going to burn this one. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put tea light handles here. 6, you can put up to 8 handles. The heat from the handles keep this container and then the inside warm. It won't be hot, it will be a little bit warm. So when I set this tab to drip the repellent oil to this, when it's touched this, it's already warm, the oil will be evaporated quickly. The repellent oil, like essential oil, they are so volatile. When I touch the warm surface, they quickly evaporate it. When the oil evaporates, this fan blows this fumes close to the this fan blows the fume horizontally close to the ground. At the same time, this unit will be rotating. So this is how this mosquito repellent, blowing the repellent oil fumes around 360 degrees. How this fan works, there's no battery, and you can see, I think there's a 2 thermoelectric generators there. So when the bottom plate get hot from the handle, so it will convert heat into electricity, and then that electricity goes to the fan motor and then spin the fan. There's another thermoelectric generator. The electricity from this thermoelectric generator to spin the wheel to rotate the entire unit. So I can control this one. I can stop the motor, I can let the motor run, or if I switch back to this side, that electricity goes to this USB module. This module converts almost 1.9 volt into 5 volts, so I can get 5 volt from this USB device. I can get 5 volts from this USB module. So I'm going to put the first handle. So you can see there are totally 8 handles in there. These candles are so cheap. You can buy 100 handle less than $5 from IKEA. See, the fan starts spinning. So the thermoelectric generator start generating electricity, so the fan is spinning now. Because when the oil fume evaporates, this fan blows horizontally close to the ground, so it can easily spread in the ground level. This is how the fan prevents the oil fume going to the sky. Now you can see it's spinning. This is how the unit spreading the oil fume close to the ground around 360 degree, so it can have a more area, and also is cutting waste going to the sky. So this is how the repellent capability is increased by this unit without any power source, without any battery or electricity. It generates its own electricity to run this fan and the turntable. The entire unit is powered by the tail light handles.
Yeah, that's smart. Oh, I didn't even see it turning. Very cool. Yeah. Well, that's perfect. Goes for right beside you. Yeah. Right. You got to push the heading. Yeah. Awesome. Very, very, very cool.
So many small components.
Yeah. It's brilliant. Cool. Thank you.